What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the thrift store. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. But first, I wanted to thank everybody for 100,000 subscribers. This store is closed. We gotta go this way. 100,000 subscribers. That is absolutely insane. I'm trying to plan something cool for it. I will let you guys know in the future, but let's see what we can find in here. All right, we had to come all the way around. We're gonna grab a cart and see what's on sale, see what they got. It's not super busy today, which is great. So hopefully we can find some cool stuff. Let's see what's on sale first. Oh, I saw it real quick. It was green, blue, red. All right, what do they have for some video games? Green, blue, red. Oh, Nintendo Land. I remember I needed this game to complete a Wii U for Amazon, so I might grab that at $4. Let's see what else they got over here. Lots of Wii and Wii U. Some DVDs mixed in. Let's see. Skylanders Imaginators. I know one of these is pretty valuable on the PS4 and PS5. I don't think it's any of these on the Wii U, but they're all here. I'll have to look it up. Let's see, what else do we have here? Some sports. High School Musical. Hannah Montana. Yeah, not seeing anything else too good here. So as I'm flipping through, I was right about to walk away, and then out of the corner of my eye I saw this. This used to be worth a lot of money. ESPN Sports Connection was one of the rarest Wii U games. I think it's come down quite a bit in price because it's honestly a really bad game, but I feel like it's still got to be worth at least $3.99. I don't know. We'll take a look in a minute. Put it in the cart though. Is there anything else here that I looked past? No, I don't think so. Alright, so I'm looking through all the media, and something that caught my eye over here. Dogma Special Edition on DVD for $1.99. This on Blu-ray goes for a crazy amount. I'll pop the price up here. It might have gone up from last time I've checked. I haven't checked in a little while, but the DVD still goes for a decent amount at $2. We're definitely going to grab that. I also grabbed a few brand new sealed Blu-rays. We have Judy on Blu-ray for $2.99, and we have 10 Things I Hate About You 10th Anniversary for $2.99. They're both going for about $30 each, which is crazy. We also snagged a few DVDs here. The Best of Night Ranger DVD collection. I think it's going for about $20. We got a Timeline DVD for $2, brand new sealed. I can't remember what it's going for, but you guys see. And then the last one is really unique, really cool. Dungeons and Dragons, the animated series, brand new sealed for $2. And yeah, I don't think there's any new ones online right now. There might be. You guys see the price. I have no idea. I just know it's worth it. Alright, we got our cart of media right here. I'm back in the books. And mixed in with the shelf is a Lego set. That's kind of crazy. Brand new sealed. $15. Let's look it up. Alright, so we got the Lego set in here, the $15, not too bad, scanned it in, and yeah, it's going for $35. I'd make about 10 on it, so it's not too bad. It's a quick seller, so we're going to grab it. We could actually look a little deeper in. Yeah, let's look a little deeper in, and yeah, 34. It's selling for about 34. I'll make 10 on it. That's nice. We'll snag it. Ashley brought this over to me because she thought it looked kind of cool, and it does. It's an olio di olivia, I don't know, olive oil. And on the bottom, the brand is Vietri, I think, made in Italy. I had a website. I tried to Google Lensix. It looks like it's supposed to have some sort of stopper that it just doesn't have. And I found it on the website. It's an olive oil can. It sells for $60 if it has that little metal stopper in there. I took one step further because I wanted to see if I could find it on eBay. I couldn't find any solds, but there is one listed right now. Here's the one listed. Somebody has it up for $87. I don't think it'll ever sell because you could buy it on their website for $50. If we had one with the stopper here, what's their price on it? $2? Yeah, we'd probably grab it and throw it on eBay for $30. But without the stopper, no solds, we gotta leave it behind. But it's a different thing to keep an eye out for. Alright guys, I'm down on the ground right here, and there are two huge bins of Thomas the Tank Engine trains, the old magnetic ones with the wooden tracks. We have this big bin and this big bin, and they are filled with old Thomas characters, cool houses and bridges and all that stuff. But the issue is $45 each. Is it gonna be worth to dig through it all? Maybe. I'm really on the fence. Some of them are in rough shape, as you can tell right here. It's fading, and the what the stickers are peeling off of it, and some aren't old, some don't have magnets, so it is a mixture of everything. But if you look on eBay, and I just typed in Thomas Train wood or wooden, that's all I typed in just to see what would pop up. And here's a bunch of the pieces. You could see they do sell, and they sell well too. This is all February 18th we're at. I think this, I don't even know, this one for some reason is $150. Might be a very, very rare one. How did that sell for $150? It is a Canadian exclusive. Okay. This train right here went for $22. This oil tanker sells for $27. The blue guy sells for $16. So, yeah, there is money here. There's the Flying Scotsman train for $135. Crazy stuff to keep an eye out for. Yeah, I mean, I'm really on the fence here because $45 is a lot. I don't know if I have any of the really good ones in here. So yeah, I'm definitely going to pass on them. The more I look at them, there's just a lot of Thomas trains in here that aren't the magnetic ones. They're like these newer ones right here. There's a few of the magnetic ones, but they all have a pretty decent amount of wear. So I'm going to leave it behind, sadly. If they were $15 a bin, I'd probably grab them and regret it later, but at least now I have to leave them behind. All right, we have moved on down to the board games, which now they're only in one aisle. I've said it a couple times in videos, but I do miss when there were multiple aisles. I mean, it used to be board games, board games, board games, and the next one over was board games, and now it's only one aisle. I don't know why. I don't know what happened to them all, because they were always filled with board games. I mean, maybe they're just stacking them like this now, which is very dangerous. It is what it is. So we're going to dig through here, see if we can find anything awesome. So I'm loading the cart up with a bunch of cool toys I'm going to show you guys in a minute, but Ashley is always finding the weirdest stuff. She called me over to take a look at this tie for $4.99. It's an adult themed tie. Very odd. Does it even have a brand? Oh, it does. Absolute Dad. I mean, I guess that makes sense. Here's something really cool, Bullseye Ball. It is sealed. It still has the tape seals. For some reason, they put a big piece of tape on it. I have to get off very gently. $13. Crazy overpriced. But blue is 50% off. Probably because nobody wanted to pay $13. But hey, I'll take it. I'll pop the price up here so you guys can see. I'm paying $6.50 for it. I'll probably make 20 or so. So that's definitely a score. I also grabbed this Magic School Bus kind of science kit, I think it is. Looks like a whole bunch of cool science experiments for $8 as well. Actually, no, I guess that's $2 more than the other thing, but still worth it. I think I'm going to make about 12 on it, so not too bad. We'll take it. I also snagged this Hive game right here. I don't love that there's pen on the front of the box, but it's only $2, and you guys can see it sells for, I think, $40, give or take. So we'll grab that. Why not? I have to sell it used. It is used, but that's still okay. All right, guys, check this thing out right here. This Nerf Hyper Fire. It is brand new, sealed, and they're asking, I think, $15 on it. There it is, $15. Brand new, sealed, big Nerf gun. It sells for over 100, I think 125. What a score on a massive Nerf gun. It's going to cost a little bit to ship, but it's still obviously worth it at that price. Another big item right here. Look at this guy. It's a big Minecraft head. Is that Steve? I don't know. Is it just a Minecraft guy? I have no idea, but for $5.99, you guys can see it sells really well for, I think, $40, give or take. So that's the total score. And then the last thing we found on the shelf is this headbands game right here. I sell headbands games all the time. The adult ones sell really, really well. But even this one right here, I scanned it in. It's $5.99. You guys will see the picture looks different than what's on the box, but it's just a slightly different image variant. They change the image variants all the time. I've never had an issue selling anything like that, as long as it is just the original headbands, which it is. So, total score. We'll grab it. All right, I'm in the electronics section over here, and I found something I haven't found in a while, and it still sells really well. There is a lot of mishmash in here, but the thing that I know sells well are these Panasonic auto stops. The model is KP310, and they're asking $4, which is a great price. I looked it up online, and here it is. Still selling pretty well over on Amazon for $35, and that's actually the lowest price. If we type in, yeah, the next one's 36, then 41. Holy moly. You could probably get 40 for it. So that is a score, and it's in really clean shape. $40. I love it. I don't know how well they sell on eBay. Probably a bit cheaper, but Still, at $4, it's a win no matter what. We'll grab it. I don't know if there's anything else here. What is this? This looks like a speaker that you'd fill with water or something. It's so weird. It's like a fish tank speaker. Oh, what is this? A Panasonic Omni Movie? Oh, a giant VHS camcorder for $70. That's cool. That's not something I feel like testing, though. It's probably not worth too much more than 70 anyways, if I had to guess. Here's a Wii. Will it be 10 bucks? Yeah, it's 20. Oh, it's 50% off. It's 10 bucks. Pretty good guess. It's in rough shape. No cords, no controllers, nothing. I'll leave that behind. So as I'm moving down the electronics wall right here, out of the corner of my eye, I saw Sony. I love looking up Sony things. I also saw the Bluetooth button, which is interesting. It makes me think that it's very new, which I think it is. The only bad thing, the price, $25, kind of high, but I looked it up and holy cow, guys, it sells pretty well for $155 used. Now, I don't know if you need a remote or something for this. I assume you do, so I'd have to look on eBay, but at $25, that is very, very worth it. It's actually very clean. It has the power cord, which I love. Oh, I hate spending $25 on electronics when I don't have a remote. I don't know if it works fully, but I kind of have to, right? That'd be about a $100 profit if the remote costs about 10 bucks or so online. So we're snagging this. That's just too cool to not grab. Haven't found a random electronic like this in a while. Sweet. So I'm sitting here looking up a remote for this thing, and I realized that the Bluetooth function on here, I'm looking on eBay, the Bluetooth function is to connect your phone to it, to control it with your phone. I went looking through and I don't see any remotes for this system on any of these eBay listings. And you can see on eBay, it's selling for about 70 to 90, give or take. So it does sell for quite a bit more on Amazon. Not too bad. We're gonna grab it. All right, guys, I'm at kind of the miscellaneous electronic wall. It's mostly boxed up kitchenware and other just random electronics. And I always look for these. I haven't found one of these in so long, and I used to sell these often. It's an Ion Pix 2 SD. And yeah, it does what it does. Photo slide, film scanner. The issue is, well, it's not an issue. I'm gonna have to make sure it's all in here. It's $20, which I thought was high. I thought these sold for about 50 or so. Well, I looked it up, and take a look at this. Here it is selling for $106 used, new at $350. That is jacked up. You could see some sellers are coming in at $170, so it sells for about $170. But used, you could still get about $106. That's pretty amazing. You'd make $90 give or take on it, and it's gonna cost me $20. We're grabbing it. We got two big finds back to back. I gotta make sure it's all in here and it looks good. Oh, I see plastic, which is a good sign. Maybe it's new on the inside. Oh yeah, it looks to be. There it is. It still has the plastic on the logo thing there. Yeah, no, this is gonna be good. I see the power cord in there. That is awesome. We're gonna grab this thing. Another great find back to back. Man, what a day it's turning out to be. All right, so the cart is getting a little full. I did not expect to have a super full cart today. It's a nice little mishmash of stuff also. Very happy about it. So I've been getting comments about people saying, well, you buy all this stuff. Do you sell it all? Is this all stuff that actually sells? And it is. I'm going to pop up some prices and show you guys some prices of things that I've sold within the past week. I think I've sold over 300 items on Amazon this past week. I've sold some on eBay as well, but I guess I could show a couple of eBay things. There's nothing too special there. I'd really want to show off the Amazon stuff to show you guys what sells. A lot of media. I sell Legos. I sell toys. I sell all of that good stuff. As you guys can see, it sells. I sell a lot of it. If you want me to do a full video breaking down solds, maybe do 50 of them, 25 of them, 100 of them, let me know in the comments. I'd be willing to do a video. I also post my solds over on Instagram. So if you guys follow me on Instagram at ThriftSchool, you'll see I post my solds and my stories all the time so you guys can see what's selling. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.